Hello civil engineers, this is Jatin with rockgrow. In this particular video, we're gonna decode everything around civil engineering interview questions, round process reviews, everything around it. Talking about the problem statement, guys. So when I was in my college, right, preparing for these interview questions or different companies appearing in my college, I used to get tons of resources over internet, right? Not sure that which is the best resource to follow. So what I did for you guys is to consultate the civil engineers working with different companies like L&T and others, asking them what are the different set of questions that could be there for freshers and experienced, and created a list for you guys. Second thing I did is to scan through all the internet resources and pick the most commonly asked questions that were present on these portals and created that list for you. Hence, I created a list for you guys of the interview questions that will be there in your next interview. Talking about the targeted people, so people could be in the form of freshers in their third or fourth year, or could be the experienced people as well in the domain of civil engineering. Talking about the targeted companies, could be Ashok Leyland, General Motors, Tata Motors, L&T, or it could be other companies as well. This video gonna cover all the interview questions that will be there in your next interview round. If you want responses to such questions, what I expect from you guys is to like this video right now and subscribe to the channel as well. If I reach 500 plus likes on this video, I'm gonna invite a civil engineers working with these companies to come on us with our video and provide responses to all the questions as well. Talking about the interview process, guys, it's very straightforward. You can apply to this company by the career portal, or you can go via the route of employee referral, where you can get connected with these companies people over LinkedIn and ask for job referrals. Then we have group discussion aptitude round, HR telephonic interview, core interview followed by training period. If you are really serious about your career and want job in these companies, then we have a job oriented workshop on our website which talks about creating job oriented LinkedIn profile, connecting with people over LinkedIn to get job referrals, creating resume, cover letter, formal emails, and cracking HR interview round. Everything will be discussed in this particular video workshop. So please sign up to this workshop after completing this video. I'm going to provide the link into the description section. Talking about the technical interview questions that will be there in your next interview, questions are like these. What do you understand by the term civil engineering? What are its different applications? What is the primary responsibility of a civil engineer? Why did you decide to become a civil engineer? What made you want to study civil engineering? What is cement? What are the different types of cement? What is the best cement for highway construction? What is the requirement of curves on the road? What are the different types of curve? What is compacting and why is it used? What do you understand by the reinforced concrete? What is the main responsibility of a construction manager? What is the unit weight of concrete? How do you calculate the weight of 12-meter long and 10 millimeter dia steel on site? What is the unit weight of 12 millimeter steel bars? List all the reinforcement that are used in the process of stressing. What are some common roof types? Right, so these are the commonly asked interview questions that were highlighted by the tech engineers working with these companies that will be there in your next interview. Please make sure you are preparing for these. Next we have is HR interview questions. So these are the top most HR interview questions that can be asked in your next interview. Tell me about yourself. That's generally a basic question that everyone asks to make sure the next person who is actually appearing for the interview should feel comfortable, right? That's the whole objective behind tell me about yourself question. Why do you want to join us? Why should we hire you? Right? These are the two ways this question can be asked. The other ways as well, that why do you think you are the best role for this particular position? Tell me about the company, right? Questions related to the company and the responsibilities that you're gonna handle. That is where the job description comes into play. Tell me about your strength and weakness, short-term and long-term goals. Why is there an employment gap? Why do you want to change? Salary expectation. How will you handle the pressure? Future of programming language. So these are the top most and repetitively asked HR interview questions that will be there in your next interview round. Make sure you are preparing answers to all those technical coding and HR interview question list that I've compiled for you. It took me around 1 month to prepare this particular video. Please make sure you are liking this video right now. Now when we talk about the next step, I'm also targeting around 500 plus like on this particular video. Not just this, for specifically for HR interview questions, we have already compiled that workshop for you guys, where in particular day 8 we're gonna talk about HR interview questions. So if you want to just look at the HR interview questions, I would suggest that just day 8 and day 5 should be your preferences, right? When we talk about the entire job research, then we have day 2, day 3, 4, 6, 7. But you have just before the day of your interview, then I would suggest day 8 and day 5 are going to be a day which you should watch. These are free of cost registration that we have over our rockgrow LinkedIn off campus workshop. All you need to do is to click on get your dream job, register for free, and explore the content for free. That's something we can do right now with respect to preparing for those HR interview questions. If you want part 2 to go live as soon as possible, considering like this video right now and subscribing to the channel as well, I provided a Telegram group link in the description section, making sure you are joining that particular group to get instant updates on new videos, on questions, on updates, anything that we have for you guys in order to meet your end objective. So we look forward to your presence in the next video. Till then, namaskar.